Welcome to the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on the bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. So how do YouTubers get paid? They make money by monetizing their videos with ads running through them. The money you earn depends on your CPM. And the CPM stands for cost per thousand. And CPM is the amount an advertiser pays to have his ads served against videos 1,000 times. It is calculated based on how many people watch the video and from where the people are watching the video. Many factors affect CPM, and these include demographics, content, gender, and time of watch. YouTube will also take 45% of your revenue from the advertising. In 2018, advertisers spent an average of $3 per thousand views. Let's go over Do It Yourself Gang's YouTube channel. They currently have 76,387 subscribers. Total amount of views is 4,581,959. Now let's do some math and calculate how much money this channel has earned throughout the whole YouTube career. So 4,581,959 multiplied by a CPM of 3, which is 0.003, and you get $13,745. Now of course with this, YouTube gets a cut of the revenue. YouTube gets 45% and this channel gets 55%. So you have to do $13,745 multiplied by 0.55 and you get $7,560. Daily subs is 281 and monthly subs is at 8,406. Daily revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. Daily views is 50,000. Monetized playback is 80% of daily views. So 80% of 50,000 is 40,000. And the reason I chose 80% is because I noticed that for my own YouTube channel, that about 80% of my views were actually monetized. And the monetized payback is just when you see ads on a video, then you know that the video is monetized. CPM is $3. So the daily income is the monetized playback multiplied by the CPM. So 40,000 multiplied by 0.003 and you get $120. Now monthly income is $120 multiplied by 30 and you get $3,600. Annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. So revenue is $3,600 multiplied by 12 and you get $43,200. Now YouTube gets a cut of the revenue. YouTube gets 45% and this channel gets 55%. So you have to do $43,200 multiplied by 0.55 and you get $23,760 per year just from YouTube ad revenue alone, which is not bad. It's decent. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if the next YouTuber you want me to do next.